it is saying that there is a sports field, circular sports field, and two persons, Sonia and Ravi. Sonia takes 18 minutes for one round if she is starting from here, and if Ravi is starting from the same position, he is taking 12 minutes to cover single round of this circular field. So they are starting from the same position and going in the same direction, and to cover single round they are taking 18 minutes and 12 minutes. Fine. The question is asking after how many minutes will they meet at the starting point. Fine. So we need to check the minutes where they will meet for the first time. We all know that when we have two numbers, the HCF will always give us some divisor. Okay, HCF is related to factor. Factor means HCF, highest common factor. Factor means divisor. And LCM is what? LCM is the value of dividend. Which dividend? Least common multiple. This is related to dividend. Also HCF is what? HCF is minimum power of the common factors. So minimum power of the common factors of these we have to calculate. That means we will get some lower value, because we are calculating minimum parts of the common factors only. And LCM is what? LCM is always maximum powers of all the factors. Here we are considering all the factors, along with that we are considering the maximum power of all the factors. So here we will get greater value as compared to the HCF. Fine. So LCM is giving us the greater value always, and HCF is giving us the lower value always as compared to each other. And HCF is related to divisor. LCM is always related to dividends. So this Sonia is completing one round in 18 minutes. Fine. Sonia in 18 minutes and Ravi in 12 minutes. Clear? So we need to check when they are meeting after the rounds, after how many minutes they are meeting. So after how many minutes, that means that they will cover some distance. Both will cover some distance. They cannot meet at this situation. Fine. They cannot meet at lower than this situation, these number of minutes. So to calculate the thing that is greater than or more than these 2 minutes, we will check what? LCM here. Let me check the LCM and HCF for these two numbers. So if this is my number 18 and 12, so factors are 2 into 3 into 3. Here factors are what? 2 into 2 into 3. So fine. 2 3s are 6, 6 1 6 are 18. Fine. 2 to the 4 4 12. Fine. So the LCM HCF is here what? Minimum power of the common factors. What are the common factors? 2 and 3, and minimum power of 2 is 2 and 3 is 3. Fine. This is HCF. And LCM is what? LCM is maximum power of all the factors. Maximum power of 2 is square and 3 is square. So I am getting 2 square into 3 square, which is basically 4 9s are 36. Fine. So I am just trying to clear you the concept why I need to check LCM here. As I have told you, we need to check after how many minutes they will meet. Obviously they will meet after some rounds. After some rounds we will get minutes that will be more than 18 and 12. So if we need to get the value that is more than the given value, that means in that questions we have to check the LCM only. And to get the lower value where the result could be lower than the given values, and in that questions we can check the HCF. So this question, such type of questions are related to LCM only. The other way to understand is in one round Ravi and Sonia. Fine. Sonia is covering in 18 minutes. So 18. Fine. In one round he is taking 12 minutes for one round. For the second round she will take 18 more minutes. For the second round he will take 12 more minutes. This is what? 36. If I add up these two values, I am getting 24. Fine. To meet this 36, I need to add one more 12 into it. So I'll get 36 here. That means Ravi will take 3 rounds and Sonia will take 2 rounds when they will meet after 36 minutes. This is one way to check, but we must know about the concept of the LCM and HCF. LCM is always related to dividend, the more value, the greater value as compared to HCF, and HCF is always related to the divisor. So in this question, we need to get minutes that are greater than these 2 minutes, so we will calculate the LCM here. I hope you understood. The answer is 36 here. So these were all